Okay, hello everyone, guys. Very good evening to all. Today we have Shashank and Shashank Singh. He has earlier cracked the interview of SpiceJet Airlines. Now he has cracked the interview of Indigo Airlines for Delhi base. And guys, I welcome Shashank in our platform. Shashank was a crash course student. शशांक मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम लोगों को बताओ कि तुमने क्रैश कोर्स कब ज्वाइन किया था. यू आर वेरी ओल्ड स्टूडेंट और तुम तब के स्टूडेंट हो जो वेबिनार में आए थे मेरे कॉलेज वाले. या शशांक बताओ.
Yes, sir. So I joined your crash course almost in April last year, but April May last year. But due to the COVID, right? I had taken a training from joined the crash course, and but because of the COVID, I was applying and I was getting shortlisted. However, due to the COVID, I was not able to go to and give the interview because my parents were very concerned about me. So instead, what I did was, because there were no vacancies during the COVID time, so I joined the HCL. Worked there as a customer care executive. Your strategies helped me there as well for cracking the interview. And after I worked there for 8 months, I thought maybe it's time to apply for aviation again because the COVID has ended. So I applied for the SpiceJet. I applied for the Indigo. Thankfully, I got selected in Indigo. Uh, I cleared both the rounds. I got shortlisted on, like, I applied on 16th of May, and I got shortlisted on 21st of May, which is, I think, 6 or 7 days. So after that, on 26th, which I gave the interview of Indigo, and then I got selected, and that was my entire journey.
Okay, Shashank, right. So one more student got selected for name Lokesh. Recently, I got his message and I get to know that two people got selected, not one. So we'll be also
Yes,
sharing his interview experience. I think more people might be few more students got selected, but till now they haven't messaged me. But they will message after some time. So not even two, it's more than two. I think so. कि आज जो दिल्ली में select हुए हैं. तो शशांक, tell our viewers that how was our crash course helpful to you और तुम्हें मतलब तुमने क्या क्या चीजें सीखी and how it was helpful for you that today after 1 year it was the tricks which we have given to you is helpful for you. Guys, this video is divided in two parts. First part is Shashank sharing his interview, his sharing experience about the crash course, how it was helpful. Second part will be about the questions and answers, not answers, only questions and questions, what they ask and how he tackled it and what kind of tricks he used. So Shashank, now I request you that please tell our viewers. And guys, one more thing. Shashank not cleared one. He cracked two interviews. Earlier was SpiceJet and second was Indigo. Well, the reason for not joining SpiceJet is that they charge 50,000 rupees for a security deposit, which itself, being a middle class family, I think it's not. It's very much difficult to arrange that much amount of money. 50,000, and there is a bond of 3 years, right? So I think if you are a crash course student, you know that which airlines is much more better and which thing is much more better. So always play with the mind. So Shashank, today he just waited a few more days and now he cracked the Indigo Airlines interview. And I guess he is the first one to crack after later on because he is the first candidate to go there. So okay, Shashank, now tell us how was our crash course helpful and what things you learn and how things you how what I mean how they help you and all. Yeah.
So first of all, you told me about how to introduce yourself. So I just learned how to introduce myself, about my qualification and hobbies, my educational qualification, and you also told me about.
Well, Shashank,
Uh,
I will request one more thing is that never ever tell that anything that will hamper the courses, right?
okay. So
Yeah.
So you told me about how to give your introduction, and then and then you also tell me that about various departments in the aviation. I did not know ABC of aviation, and then you told me about various departments, and you basically told us to which department is good for you, and they asked me which department you want to join, and then whatever you taught us, we I just tell them the same answer, and so this was how it got it was very beneficial. There was not even a single question, let me tell you. There was not even a single question that they asked and you did not teach. So everything was from your crash course only, and without you, it would be very difficult because I was from the customer care background, and they wanted me. Why are you not joining the customer care, right? Because
Well,
you are
the
having
question might be कि you're already having a prior experience as a customer service, right?
right,
Why
right.
you don't join customer service background? But they don't know कि
Right.
what's the real reason behind it, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Because you had made it clear to us that what is the main reason why you should go there. So it was very, I was very clear with what I had to do. I was not confused. I knew what I wanted, and then I expressed it, and I got that department.
Okay, Shashank. Very good. So, Shashank, uh, how are you feeling right now? I mean, after 1 year, ये बताओ Shashank, after completing the crash course, was it enough or you worked hard sometimes more on your personality?
Sir, I think the crash course was itself enough, but because of the COVID, it was a very, once in 100 years disaster, So it was very tough, especially on the tourism sector. So that is why we were not able to clear or go to any interviews. Even our parents were very worried when we were leaving for other cities. So I think if there was no COVID, then I would have got selected
Earlier.
previous year after the after the course. But like we were the people who saw that when we used to visit on an Indigo website, there were no vacancies. Today there are 100 vacancies. So we have seen that time, and we know importance of one job, and we work hard for it, and that is why we were able to clear it.
Okay, na, Shashank, so very much congratulations. And guys, one more thing, the people, those who are batched from Shashank's batchmate, or we can say as a course mate, they are already working. Unfortunately, at that moment they joined, क्या नाम है उसका यार? Gaurav Jha. Gaurav Jha, he joined at that time, and now he's doing basic AppSec. No issues, Shashank. So what he joined, so what you late joined. Knowledge which we have given is absolutely equal for both of the things. Guys, you can click on the I button, you can watch the video of Gaurav Jha, who was the Shashank batchmate. Even though a lot of people were batchmate, I don't know कि you are knowing the name. Do you know the name कि कौन कौन तुम्हारे साथ पढ़ते थे?
Yes, like there was Gaurav Jha, and then there was this Aparna, I think, and two, three people. I don't remember the name
Yeah, so it's
exactly.
very long time. It's 1 year approx,
Yes,
right?
Gaurav has been my friend a lot, like for a
Because
long.
yeah, you know कि तुम दोनों का CV shortlist हो गया था हैदराबाद के लिए. Then तुम दोनों
Yeah,
नहीं जा पाए बोले कि यार नहीं जाएंगे ये वो. Right? You both of them got shortlisted for Hyderabad. And at that moment की shortlisting में बहुत ज़्यादा वो लगा हुआ था. People were not getting shortlisted and our coaching student only getting shortlisted. Right? Okay,
so
Shashi.
at least,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, what crash course gave me, like they gave me the it gave me the motivation. Like Gaurav Jha became my friend, right? And the other people also became my friend. You became my friend. Like I, so my motivation was not down. I was always thinking about aviation. Like I had not given up.
And
That was the main
one
thing.
more thing, Shashank, you get an environment like this ना कि यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं सब मतलब उसी को लेके भिड़े हुए
Even,
हैं.
even for, sir, even for the Spice Jet, I will give the all the credit to you only because you made the video like on Sunday, and I think the interview was on Monday. No, the interview was on Friday, and I think you made a video on Thursday, right? So I saw it, and then I decided tomorrow I will go to the interview after seeing your video, because if you were not there, so I'll ask everyone to subscribe Aviation Live, because he gives you the the best immediately about the vacancies, and then you can go there and give the interviews. Like if you're not subscribed, had I not subscribed, I wouldn't have got the job, right? And
डेफिनेटली यार,
even
द पीपल जो सब्सक्राइब उनको मिलेगी नोटिफिकेशन जल्दी. इसको जल्दी मिलेगी, वो जल्दी जितनी जल्दी तो जाके इंटरव्यू देगा. लॉट ऑफ पीपल
right,
यूज्ड टू सी द वीडियोस आफ्टर 2-3 days. 2-3 days यू आर
yes,
वेटिंग एंड यू आर बैंग ऑन यार. 2-3 days में तो लड़के नौकरी छोड़ नौकरी पकड़ के मेडिकल करा लेते हैं भाई. तो ये
right,
चीजें
right.
हैं. So guys, I will request you all to do subscribe so that you get a latest update. And I am the fastest one who is uploading the videos. As
Yes,
you can see,
I
I am
agree.
the fastest one, right?
I
Because I have
agree.
given everything to the aviation life. Okay, okay, Shashank. So guys, this was the part one, and in second part we'll be discussing about what questions they asked to Shashank, and how he tackled it efficiently, and how he managed each and everything. So guys, this was all about the Shashank first part, and second part we'll be discussing about how he managed each and every question. So guys, if you want to enroll in the crash course, you can send me a WhatsApp message in my number. It's 79950844, and next crash course is going to start on 1 June. Okay, Shashank. So Shashank, let's meet at part 2. Okay, yaar, let's meet part 2.